Hello everyone, Ram112614 here, also known as V4. Today we're not doing a tutorial, I'm making a game with the game idea generator, so I don't know what I'm gonna make yet. And thank you so much for 5 subscribers and 7 views on my second video and 12 on my first. I can't believe I got this far in 2 days. So yeah, now let's get back to the game. I'm just creating a project. Environment, supermarket, goal, reach a destination, genre, puzzle. You can't. I don't know what to do, so I'll try. Inside a computer, goal, capture, game strategy. Rules can only move forward. Wildcard music. Okay. Okay. I think I can do this one, so. Yeah, I'll just call this random game. So today I'll just get the main things down. So, green, just be green. There. So, now let's just extend that. And so it doesn't hurt your eyes, I'm just going to make the saturation a bit down. Okay. So, now let's paint a sprite. Why is it so laggy today? Okay. And yeah, now we have to paint our level. So let's just keep the first level blank. And then the second level, let's add this as like a brown. Sorry, I'm really bad at picking colors. Yeah, I guess that would do. And for this, we can't really hide the outline, so yeah. That's what we'll make. And then let's do that or something. And then let's do that. And then let's do that. And for in the rules, it says you can only move forward. If I go to the game idea. So you can only move forward. So I'm just going to make it so that you can't move back, but you can move side to side. So yeah, we'll just call this level. And then rename the costumes so that it's actually going to read it correctly. Well, it might read it correctly, but I'm not taking chances. So today will just be adding all the levels in the player's movement. So yeah. Now, for the player, I really imagine him as an orange guy, so There. There's our orange teeny tiny player, which will set at 0, 0. Actually, we have to set the Y a little down, so how about 165? We don't want it like on the ground. I mean negative 165. It's okay, we'll try like negative 155. Yeah, that's perfect. So yeah, we need a couple of variables. I'll just rename this thing level. And I'll have like gliding movement, so it's like really hard to do it. Do everything, and then I'll add like a restart button or something. Like in the later videos. So yeah, let's add the basic movement, no gliding. When flag clicked, forever, if key, up arrow pressed, change Y by, let's say 5, I guess. Let's just test that out, see if that's a good amount. Yeah, that's a little too slow. And my hand's automatically pressing the back right now, so I think I'm gonna struggle with my own game. Yeah, perfect. So yeah, one flag clicked, go to there, and then duplicate, and then duplicate that thing. Down arrow press. No, wait, not down arrow. You don't want down arrow. It's the only thing we don't want. Right arrow, left arrow. And as you can see with my dark background, I have Scratch-A-Dons. So yeah, let's just get the sprite switching done. I mean the code switching. Yeah, block switching, right there. So now that we enabled that, we can do that. Just change it. -7, okay. So now that we have this, which is the basic movement, and it's already lagging, so like I said in my first video, make a blank sprite and everything's gonna turn out well. So yeah, we've already run into a problem of smashing through walls without breaking them, so yeah, let's just make sure it doesn't smash through walls. If touching our level, and we'll call this blank so everyone actually knows what we're doing. This as player. Okay. If touching level, change repeat until we're not doing that anymore, so not touching level. Yeah, so once repeat that until we're not touching the level of moving -3.5. I like to do like half of this, or like a little less than half of that, so I'll try to. And yeah, let's just see if the collision works. It's like really basic collision, which is why it's like going through and then coming back. But yeah, it's something we don't want, but we'll fix later. So yeah, now let's duplicate that. Take that away. Why did I not duplicate this? Yeah, -2. Duplicate that. Make that 2. Okay, so we're done with our collisions of this you can only move forward game. Yeah. It's not very fun because we can't move back to keep going. But at least for now, it's not very fun. And yeah, because why not? Let's fix it. Now, let's not fix it, but add a trail. Because why not? Trail seconds, really. Now, trail. So yeah, create clone of myself is what we'll do, and then wait seconds. No, we have to do the wait first, okay. So yeah, that's our trail. Usually we do something more complicated and defined, but yeah. Forever. One flag clicked, forever. Trail with like a 0.05 or something. And then, yeah. Now let's make sure the trail knows how to trail. When I started the clone, yeah, repeat 10, change. Now let's do like, let's do 5. Change the ghost effect. No, I mean 20, not 5. This should be 5. Change the ghost effect by 5, and then what is happening? Do I have to go into sensing? Like, I don't know what's happening right now. Okay, I have to go into sensing. Delete this clone. And yeah. There's our trail. And it's not very good now, but it's definitely adding something to the game. So if you get like trapped here, you can't move back or something. So yeah. I think I should add like a spike there so you can get trapped in the next level. So yeah, now let's make the level. So one flag clicked. Forever. touching... No, what am I doing? Okay. If the Y is like 178. So yeah, get a greater than. Get a Y position block. Y position is greater than 177. Then we say broadcast start level, and then change level by 1. Now let's go to the level and say when I receive start level, set level to, no wait, get that, switch costume to level. So yeah. That's really pretty much all we need for a working level system. Oh yeah, one more script. This should go in the backdrop, or you can put it in the player, but I just don't want to overload the player with so many scripts. So one flag clicked, forever. Okay, so one flag clicked. Why did I put the forever there? Broadcast start level, and before that, set the level to 1. And now that I say that, I'm just gonna check. Okay, good. In the start level in the player, we should make sure the broadcast start level is after the change level by 1. So yeah, let's just see if this works. Well, that's a problem. We're not setting the player back to where it's supposed to be, so yeah. I totally forgot about that, so sorry. Go to 0. It's just staying there and it's always getting that script. Like that, so yeah, now it should work. And yes, it does. It actually does work. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you watch the next video in this series. And now I'm just realizing that this is basically a tutorial, so yeah, you can be happy now.